Hey, it's Chris here from SONAX GB. In this video, I want to show you one of the most versatile products that SONAX produces, which is Multistar. This is an alkaline-based cleaner that you can dilute for pretty much nearly any cleaning job on a vehicle. And I'm going to take you through some of them right now. So, one of the first things I'm going to show you is engine bay cleaning. Now, we can dilute Multistar 1 to 5 or 1 to 10, depending on how heavily soiled this is. This is an old mini engine bay which has never been cleaned, so I've diluted about 1 to 5 in a SONAX spray buoy. And also, one of the advantages of Multistar is it is high foaming. So I've actually diluted it into a foam sprayer because that will actually mean I use less product, and the fact that the foam will cling longer will actually give me better cleaning power. Multistar will break down any, engine oil or grease or anything that's around, and it's left everything nice and clean now, ready for dressing. Another thing on the long list of things Multistar can do is pre-wash. Now, if your car looks like this, which to be fair, if you do a lot of miles in the winter, they look like this a lot, Multistar will help break down this and make cleaning easier, and also stop scratching when it comes to the wash phase. You can dilute it 1 to 10 or even 1 to 20 if you want it even more gentle as a pre-wash, and you can do pretty much everywhere. Arches, plastics, paintwork, the whole lot. And that's exactly what I'm going to do right now and show you how good it is. So I'm going to leave that for a few minutes to dwell and start breaking down this dirt, and then we can make it clean again. Another job we can do, while I've got my wheel cleaner going, I can give the tyres a nice clean, because tyre dressings are designed to stick to rubber, not brake dust and dirt and stuff like this one is clearly covered in. So for cleaning that, I'm going to use, you guessed right, Multistar. I'm just going to spray this onto the tyre. Job done. Obviously you can spray this to the arches and everything as well, but just for this video purposes, we're just working on the tyre. What I'm going to do is give that a good scrub, and you can see the brownness. Now I've agitated that, I'm just going to leave it a minute or so to dwell a bit longer, then I'm going to rinse it off, and we should have lovely clean tyres ready for tyre dressing. Wow! Another great use for Multistar is as a more stronger snow foam. We have Actifoam Energy, which is pH neutral, great, gentle, great for coated cars and being gentled on cars that are in great condition. But if you have something which hasn't been washed in a long time like this, and you need something with a bit more bite, then Multistar diluted 1 to 10 in a snow foam lance is incredible. Right, there we go. That is quite a few of Multistar's fantastic uses. And actually, there's even more. You can use it for, say, cleaning the exhaust, using it to get the rubbers, getting green out of the rubbers, the tank area, the arches I already spoke about, the door shuts and door frames, we can get in there with it, around the boot. There literally is, if you're looking for a cleaner to clean something, grab Multistar. And now, I'm going to shock you even more by moving to the interior. So now we're in the interior, I'm going to show you how good Multistar can be in here. First of all, I'm going to show you what it's like on upholstery cleaning. So I have Multistar diluted in here, and when using it on the interior, you can go 1 to 10 if it's really heavily soiled, or 1 to 20, which is what I've currently got it, which is a good balance for interior cleaning. It's in rare cases that I've ever gone stronger than 1 to 20, to be honest, because in most cases it sorts it out. These seats are quite dirty, but I'm pretty sure this will solve this. I have a Karchapuzzi ready to extract as well. So, very simple. Spray the cleaner on. Wait for the trigger to obviously pick up pressure. Spray the cleaner on. Then take a SONAX leather and upholstery brush, and then I can agitate with this Then I'm going to leave that a minute or so to dwell, and then I'm going to extract with the Pusi machine. In the Pusi machine, I just have clean water because the surfactants in Multistar, they're designed to grab onto dirt particles and hold on to them. So if I leave any Multistar in the seats, that is then going to grab onto dirt particles, and obviously that will mean that the seat gets dirtier faster than it did before, and also it can hold on to smells and things like that. So it's always important to make sure you rinse out all of the cleaner when cleaning upholstery. Otherwise you don't get that, you don't get that smell come back, and you also don't get the resoiling. Yeah, actually, if you're wondering what Multistar smells like, it smells like fresh linen. It's quite a strong smell of fresh linen, so it's fantastic when using it on interiors. So it leaves a nice smell behind. Oh, look at that juice. Chocolate milkshake, boys. Chocolate, 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 chocolate. And there we go, that's all extracted, and you can see some lovely, beautiful chocolate milkshake coming out of it. Don't drink it. And you can see the difference. You can see all of the dirt coming out of it. And now it has a lovely fresh smell. Well, this does. The rest of the car does not. But this bit, lovely. And you may be able to see a bit of a contrast from the driver's seat, which I just realised how bad it is and I'm sat on it. But the passenger seat is now looking lovely. I'm going to show you what else we can do with Multistar on the interior. Next up on the list of things Multistar can do is plastics. And it's great at deep cleaning plastics. Again, this is diluted 1:20, which is how I like to keep it for interiors. And this plastic has lots of ingrained dirt from probably many years by the looks of it. So let's see what it can do against that. Oh, I'm going to spray this on. Again, wait for the pressure to build up. I'm going to spray this on quite liberally. Then I've got a SONAX brush, and I'm going to use that to agitate. And this will help get into the grain of the plastics and hopefully pull out some dirt. You can always put Multistar into a small little foam pumper, SONAX foam pumper, which is great because again you use less product and you don't over soak the areas. I'm going to leave that a minute or so just to do its work, and then I'll wipe away. Right, let's give this a wipe off and see what we've got. The lights are pretty strong, but I hope you can see just how brown that is. And that now, as it dries, you might be able to see that the original like matte or satin finish, whatever the original finish is to this plastic, will be restored. And then I can just go around with something like plastic detailer or any trim protectant I want to put on there, whether it be glossy or matte, which is what I prefer, just to protect it with a bit of anti-static and stop resoiling. Simple. What a star Multistar is. I'm not finished yet. Let's move on. That is one seat base from a 52 plate Mini. Beautiful. It won't be a shock to some of you, but if we can clean seats with it, then we can clean carpets with it. And that's exactly what I'm going to show you how to do now. And you can see they're pretty dirty. So it's the same process as cleaning seats, exactly the same. Yeah, spray on the Multistar, diluted 1:20. Give the mats a good dousing, or the carpets in the vehicle, whichever you're doing. I decided to get it out and put it on the side because it was easier for us to film, rather than me digging my way around a footwell of an old Mini and you guys trying to watch it. So once you've given it a good douse, you take our upholstery and leather brush, and as I said, it's exactly the same system. So just give it a good scrub, then leave it a minute or two, and then we can extract with clean water for lovely clean mats. If there's any areas that you think needs a bit more work, just apply a bit more product. Obviously on mats, the center bit here where most people stick their feet is normally the most dirty. Right, we give that a minute or so and then I will extract it. There we go, one lovely clean mat, and that's a lot better. There's a couple of little spots of glue there, which I could get out with a bit of stain remover, but Multistar has done 99% of the work. And just for reference, there's the other mat. I know the driver one is normally dirtier, but you can just see how bad they were. Now there we have, that is plenty of uses for Multistar, and that's not all of them. You can use it for washing cloths in the washing machine. You can use it for cleaning pads. You can even use it around the house. Roof linings. You can even dilute it 1 to 50 to clean Alcantara. So there we can see it's a very versatile product. It's so good, you know, you can do so many cleaning jobs with it. There's no need, if you're a professional, to carry 5, 6 different cleaners, which are all very similar, when you can just have one and dilute it per job you need it to do. You know, if it's not cleaning the dirt you want it to clean, then use it a bit stronger. You know, there's so many options and things like that. And it means your price per vehicle that you're working on is a lot cheaper. Or even if you're an enthusiast, a 1 litre bottle diluted is going to give you plenty of cleaner to do many, many vehicles. And that's pretty much it. So thanks for watching, guys. Hit the like button. Please hit the subscribe button because we have so much more exciting content coming. You don't want to miss it. And I hope to see you in the next video.